you were going through the 5 F's, right? And when you were saying that, I was thinking of dodgeball, the dip, dive, dodge, All right. So what are the 5 F's that you guys focus on?
Yeah, we like to talk about faith, and they're in a sequential order, at least I believe, of importance for a man that is truly going to build, a meaningful, optimized life. So faith comes number one. I'm a Christian, just like you are as well. So we take a lot of the conversations through that lens, but we'll have other people on. So we've explored other faiths, other spirituality as well. Not as a way of I want to highlight those things, but I want to have open conversations with everybody, just see where people are lined up. So faith number one, fitness. And when I talk about fitness, it's not just the physical development, it's emotional fitness, spiritual fitness, mental fitness. Really the man needs to become who he was born to be before he then can go out and tackle the third one, which is going to be the finances. Finances is more than just what you do for a living, how you produce income and revenue. It's what are you doing with it? How are you stewarding the money that you're making? How are you using it as a tool and resource to maybe give back to a community? Are you tithing? So faith, fitness, finance. Then the next, I call it pillar of a man's life would be his family, right? So building, becoming a man of value and protection that can, number one, lead the family within the home, but also the family kind of outside of his home. What does your, circle of trusted advisors look like? What is your community like? What is your brotherhood that you spend time with on a weekly basis? So taking a little bit outside of the home there. And then the freedom component kind of serves two meanings in our world. Number one, because we focus on addiction recovery, getting free from those, specifically pornography is obviously the men that we serve, but freedom from all sin, freedom from all vice, just living a life of true purpose and meaning. But second meaning in freedom is what are you doing with the time that you're not working, not serving your family? Are you intentional about learning new skills? Are you intentional about personal growth? Or is your free time spent on the couch, binging Netflix, consuming nothing but NFL sports and sporting games? So just trying to give guys, number one, a framework to kind of look at life through, and then providing them with the tools to really step up and level up in those areas.